What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.
Hi folks, it's springtime, and if you're anything like me, you're already planning your outdoor barbecues, your graduation parties, or just relaxing in your own backyard. But there's one thing that can ruin all that fun, and that's the dreaded mosquito. Hi, I'm Adam Helfman, home improvement expert from HireItDone.com, and I'm here at Mosquito One, and we're going to show you how to make it a mosquito-free season. I'm here with Eric Kirschke from Mosquito One. How you doing, Eric?
Good, Adam.
So I've got a barbecue plan this weekend, and I went out and bought all this mosquito repellent. I've got DEET, I've got candles, citronella, some clip-on items. Is any of this effective?
Well, all these products have their own degree of effectiveness. It all depends on your yard and the area you're in, and you have to set up every time.
So Eric, we don't even know if these products will work on my own particular house. So tell me, what is the Mosquito One difference?
Well, what we do, Adam, is we come out and service your property. We come out several times a season so that you're protected all season long without having to use any of these products.
So I want to have Mosquito One come out to my house and give an application. My problem is I have pets. Is that something I should worry about?
Not at all. All of our products are EPA approved and pet friendly. Give it about an hour and they can go back outside like we weren't even there.
I'm going to have my barbecue this weekend. How many days in advance do I need to call Mosquito One to make sure that the treatment's done right?
Well, if you want, you can always schedule a whole season package with us where you are covered for the entire season, Memorial Day through Labor Day, and you won't have to worry about it at all.
So Eric, you guys come to my house in the morning, you put an application in my yard, and then it rains in the afternoon. Do I have anything to worry about?
Not at all. We have a product that we add called M-Block that protects it from the rain, the sun, and the wind. It can actually withstand an inch of rain for several days without having any effect.
Here's what to expect. Your tech will email you the day before he's scheduled to come out. An average sized property takes about 10 to 20 minutes to service, depending on size. Your tech will email you from your driveway when the job is completed. I'm really excited to not have mosquitoes in my yard this year. Eric, can you show me how you guys apply the product?
Sure, let's go outside.
I'm here with Eric from Mosquito One. We're in a really big yard right now. So Eric, tell me, in a yard like this, where do we start?
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to do a full perimeter around your property. We're going to hit any of the trees, bushes, plants, shrubs, any of the cool, damp breeding areas you might find mosquitoes, such as under your deck, standing water. We're going to spray all the trees and the yard in between, and then we're going to do a barrier around your home.
Eric, does your product kill other insects?
It does. It does fleas, ticks, ants, spiders, and more.
I see in this yard there's some standing water. How do you use the product for that?
Well, we have a different process we use for that. We have granules that are a growth inhibitor to keep mosquitoes from breeding and multiplying.
So we've just learned the most effective ways of controlling mosquitoes in your yard, and that's using the pros at Mosquito One. So if you're looking for a hassle-free way to reclaim your yard, visit HireItDone.com.